products featured in this video are not sponsored or paid promotions. We're simply sharing upgrades that work well for our setup. Welcome to another episode of Adventure. And you know what? I'm going to include my wife right there, my beauty, my supervisor. And babe, I got something for you today. I'm going to modify our ride.
What are you going to do?
That's why I asked you to sit down and just listen to what I got to tell you.
Hear you out?
Hear me out, baby. What I'm going to do is make your life a lot more simpler in Frankie. You want to know what I'm going to do?
Please.
I bought this. It's called, I saw this on a Facebook post, so I thought it was a pretty good idea. Well, first of all, you know how you complain that there's so much stuff up there in the cabinet where your plates are and your cups and bowls and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Well, I got a solution for you.
I bet you do.
The solution is pop a plate. A plate. Yeah, baby. This baby goes underneath the sink.
Under the sink?
No, under under the cabinet above the sink. And that's where we're going to put our paper.
But that's where my paper towels are.
We're going to do something here. We're going to take a look and see where the paper towel roll is. You're right, it is in the way. But I saw at another place where somebody took their paper towel dispenser and remounted it to the side, which I thought was a pretty good idea.
Did you measure it?
We're going to do that. We're going to measure this to make sure it works before we pop a plate.
Yes.
So we're going to go down there, take a look, and see how this works out. Stay tuned. All right, we're heading down there to take a look if this thing is going to work. Do I have my work crew with me? Yep, got my work crew with me.
Come on, guys.
There, are you ready to work? Okay.
Yeah, he's already worked on that ball. Tore it up, I'm afraid.
All right, let's go take a look. All right, girl. What I did is I did measure up here this area above the sink, and that pop-up plate will fit there.
But you're going to try to get this over here?
Yes, I'm going to take this and move it over here in this direction. I saw somebody else do that in their van so that the roll would actually look like that.
And block my little people.
Well, we can move the people. Because unless you want to stick it this way.
No, that's too close to this, I think.
Yeah.
Get out, Arrow.
But that's what it would be. It'd be about right there.
Right, but this is going to stick out further. So is that going to come out too far?
No, the roll, the end will come right at this edge. Here, I'll measure it.
I believe you.
Okay, supervisor has come up with a solution. We're going to put the pop-up plate here, and we're going to put the towel dispenser over here. It just didn't work out over there. So what's nice about this pop-up plate is that the plastic is labeled front. I don't know if you can see that, but this way you know when you mount it to the front, then the locking clip will be perfect when you slide it into position. So let's go ahead and get this ring up there secured and go from there. I drilled the pilot hole, and there's 3 holes here. I'm going to get the first one started and then drill the rest. Now that I got the one screw in, I'll go ahead and drill the pilot hole for the other one. Put in the screw. That's tight. Put in the third one. And the third screw. Make sure they're all tight. And then I stick the popper plate in there. And there we go. Finished product. Stick a couple of plates in there and see what happens. You load the plates from the top into the dispenser and then lock it in place. Plates are locked in place and you just pull them down. If you got too many, you pop them back up. There we go. Now let's mount the towel rack. It's time for some biblical humor because laughter is good medicine. Two Christians have lived very good and very healthy lives. They die and go to heaven. As they are walking along marveling at the paradise around them, one turns to the other and says, "Wow, I never knew heaven was going to be this good." "Yeah," says the other, "and just think, if we hadn't eaten all that oat bran, we would have gotten here 10 years sooner." Hey, if you want to know more about those who do not go to heaven, they are all listed in Revelation chapter 21, verse 8. Belinda and I truly want everyone to experience the joy of heaven. That's why we invite you to scan the QR code on the screen and take the Good Person test. It's a simple and eye-opening way to understand what the Bible says about eternity and how someone can get to heaven. We believe God's message is clear, life-changing, and available to everyone. If you have any questions or would like to have more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. We would be honored to talk to you. Towel rack will be going right there. We'll put a pilot hole in there. Get the screw ready. Get the next pilot hole ready. And the last screw. And the towel dispenser goes there. And that's what it looks like. Well, there you go. We've got the popper plate in place. We got the towel dispenser relocated, and it is not in the way of the sensor that the coach uses for temperature. Easy on and off replacement. It does not obstruct the light too much, but you have enough light here on the sink. And we also have this pull down drawer that holds all my Keurig coffee cups. Again, we were looking to put the towel rack over here, but it didn't seem practical for us. It might be for you, but there we go. Job well done. You guys can do this too. Let me go get the supervisor and see if it's supervisor approved or if we have to make any modifications. All right, babe, come on in. See if this thing is supervisor approved. What do you think? Come on, me.
I'm kidding. Good job.
Is it?
Yeah.
That'll work for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Plenty of room between here.
Yep. All right.
Good job, baby.
Is there anything you want to say, kid?
I'm proud of you.
Okay, what else? Anything else?
Oh, yeah. Like and subscribe. And click the bell so you'll know our next video coming out.
There you go, girl. Again, thank you guys for watching and looking forward to you on our next adventure.